Okay, I'm going to show you how to install the mirror mount. First you have to have installed the grab handle accessory, cover accessory, and get the right mirror mount. So in this case, this is the left side of the vehicle on the bottom, so it has an LB. I don't know if you can see that. Then you mount it so that the thumb screw would face not this way, that's wrong, it has to face you. And you can drive the screws in with a 5mm wrench. The bottom one is especially difficult to get to, so a ball end is better. In this case I don't have a ball end, so it's still possible, it's just harder. That's right, it's a 3mm Allen wrench. I'm not sure if I said that correctly. Once you've got that mounted up, all you have to do is grab a mirror. In this case I have a cheap mirror from another kit. It's a 12mm bar, and then it's just mounted on the back, surround mirror. And you unscrew this enough, slide it into your desired location, tighten it, and you're ready to go. That's it.